By the end of this video, you will know how to add a custom field in Gusto. Start from the left sidebar in Gusto and click People. This takes you to the area where employee records and related settings are managed. Once you are on the People page, move to the upper right corner and click More. In that menu, select Custom Fields. This opens the section where you can create and manage extra fields for employee information that is not already included in the standard profile layout. On the Custom Fields page, click Add Custom Field. This starts the setup for a new field that you can attach to employee profiles. The first thing you will enter is the field name. Type the label you want this field to use based on the kind of information you need to store. For example, this could be employee ID, shirt size, or office location. Choose a name that will be clear when someone sees it later in an employee profile. After naming the field, choose the field type. Gusto provides different response formats, and this selection should match the kind of data you plan to collect. If the information should be entered one way and displayed consistently across profiles, make sure the field type fits that format before moving on. This is the part that determines how the field accepts information. Once the field type is selected, complete any additional options that appear. The settings shown here depend on the type of field you chose. Some field types may ask for more setup details before the field can be created. Review those options carefully and fill in what is needed so the field behaves the way you want when it is used in an employee record. When the setup is complete, click Save or Add Custom Field depending on the button shown in your account. That creates the custom field and adds it to the available employee profile fields in Gusto. If you do not see the exact same button text, use the option that confirms creation of the field. After the field has been created, open an employee profile to use it. In the profile, locate the new custom field and enter the relevant information, or update it if you are adding details later. This is where the field becomes part of the employee record and can be filled in as needed for each person. If you are creating more than one field, repeat the same process from the Custom Field section, so each one is set up with the right name, type, and options. The key is to confirm the field appears correctly in the employee profile before you rely on it for ongoing record keeping. Your custom field is now added in Gusto and ready to use in employee profiles.